When we think about people going through grief and loss in separation and divorce, we're asking sort of monumental tasks of people. We're saying, be good to yourself. Make sure you get the supports that you need. Do the journaling, do the self-reflective practice. And these things, they take effort. And sometimes it feels like monumental effort.
The other thing too, when somebody is deeply in pain, and then we're asking that person to go look for support. If we're thinking of it as a village, you need to know my best friend just got divorced and she's lying with her head in a pillow. And when I say, what can I do for you? She can't answer the question. You need to say, my friend's got her head under the pillow. I'm going to take over a casserole. I'm going to say, I'll take your kids to school today. As much as we say, ask for support, look for your support, there's people that they're so beyond being capable that we need to reach in and just take assumptions. You might say, if you need anything, just call me. They're not going to call you. When they're that far gone, they're not going to call you. So sometimes we just really need to push our way in and bang on the door.